Okunye ke ngifuna ukucacisa ngani zakwethu ukuthi ke ngokwe-showbiz industry njengamanje iscale sakhona mangisi analyze nje mina ngisibuka simi kahle sithi amapiano are the #1 music genre in South Africa njengamanje, which is hitting the market, which is hitting all over. Into ebaluleke kakhulu ke ukuthi amapiano, the only problem ngamapiano, they will die on natural death, while we don't know who sings amapiano. It's skill that DJ Tira, no Mampinja, that they have quite and gom. It need to be applied to amapiano artists. Amapiano, we need them to put their faces behind their music, because the music is popular, but they are not known. They are not well known. They are known by the few groups of people, but they are not well known. Ngendlela fanele babazeke ngayo. For an example, nje mawukhuluma nje ngegqom uzoqhamuka umfana umfishane uTira la, is always on our faces. Khona couple la lezidom lezi couple lezi ubhekisa uduma noMampinja. Bekhiphele bengakhiphile, but they are popular brands. They are always on our faces, irregardless of what. Can you imagine if they can have a hit amongst them being on our faces? That will help them with industry. Kusho mina ke manje, analyze industry. So ke manje ke into eyenzakalayo ke la kulabafana abawu2 Killer Kawu nomfana lo umfana lo Mampura abashonile. Ezangane encane siqala ukuzirecognize nokuzazi kahle ngoba zeyishonile. And then when you listen to their music is on top of the world, it's on top of the game. Leyo nto leyo is very wrong yokuthi when you let your music and your talent goes, then wena usale wena mnikazi waleyo ngoma leyo. Yiyo le nto ngixabanisayo nabantu eyi14 kuthiwa hey uye lo sibani hawu wena ucula ngoba ukuthi yeheni bantu niqinisile hawu uNkulunkulu wami uwe akwazi kwakuncane shame hawu akusekuncane ucula ingoma kuyiko lokho kucula le ngoma yabo. So when your talent grows, find a good PR that will mesh your talent with you as a brand so that you can grow. Ngiyabona ngobheka nje la kwi hip hop njengamanje mangasho ukuthi mina eSouth Africa jikelele the #1 artist in South Africa, irregardless of what, male artist is Big Zulu njengamanje. So ngonyaka odlule nje ukuzibe manje uBig Zulu Khilimanga is the #1 artist in South Africa. Akekho futhi wangiphikisa kuloko. Khona iminyaka la kuloya nyaka la kwaba AKA kwaba ho Casper University nobani kanjalo. Kodwa masikhuluma nge-male artist njengamanje South Africa, a #1 male artist in South Africa. Ekhona amapiano engekho, angikhulumi nge-genre, khuluma nge-artist, is Big Zulu. Big Zulu is the #1 male artist. Usho mina ubani ongangiphikisa kuloko. Ingoma zakhe ziyashisa, is always there. Ububi bakhe siyabona in front of us, nenwele zakhe ongazi ukuthi ezamphunyaka, kodwa ukhona, is always on our faces. He can create a brand and he's introducing new talent and featuring them. Nomfana umduduzi sinoko lesihamba naso lesethi umduduzi lesiyana sicula kahle sikhona naso. Bese kuzoba ile ntombazana lenethi ke something ikujabiting yabo zonke lezo zinto lezo. His talent is so mastered like DJ Tira when he sees that he's too old now. So now he feature himself in an up-and-coming talent and he introduced them to the industry and he create means that are always make sure that DJ Tira is always there in front of the people, is always there. DJ Tira, I can only say one thing about him. He's an artist of all times.